Question is, the following data is applicable for a turning operation. The length of job is 900 mm, diameter of job is 200 mm, feed rate is 0.25 mm per revolution, and optimum cutting speed is 300 meter per minute. The machining time in minute is option A 2.5, option B 4.5, option C 7.5 and option D 6.5. चलिए देखते हैं इस क्वेश्चन में लेंथ ऑफ द जॉब दिया हुआ है, टर्निंग ऑपरेशन है. इन अ टर्निंग ऑपरेशन लेंथ ऑफ द जॉब दिया हुआ है, दैट इज 900 मिलीमीटर. डायमीटर ऑफ द जॉब इज गिवन एज 200 millimeter and feed rate is also given as 0.25 mm per revolution, and the optimum cutting speed, that is V, is given as 300 meter per minute. And in this question they have asked about the machining time, T machining. T machining in minutes. T machining in minutes. तो चलिए देखते हैं, इसको सॉल्व करते हैं. मशीनिंग टाइम का फॉर्मूला होता है Tm is equal to L by Fn. L is the length of the job, F is the feed, and N is the RPM. So in this question N is not given, so we will find out N by the help of cutting velocity formula. So V is equal to pi dN by 1000 meter per minute. So we will put the value of N here. So we will have the value of N as V into 1000 divided by pi into D. So we'll put the value of N here in this equation. Tm is equal to L divided by F into V into 1000 into pi into D. We have to take this D in millimeter. Okay, so length of the job is 900 into pi into diameter of the job is 200 mm divided by feed is given as 0.25 into velocity or cutting speed is given as 300 into 1000. 200 will get cancelled out with 1000 in 5 times, 300 with 900 in 3 times. So we will have 3 pi divided by 5 into 0.25. This will become 1.25. So in this question, by the help of calculator, we will calculate it. 3 pi divided by 1.25 and we will get the value 7.5 minutes. So here in this question, machining time will be 7.5 minutes. So option C will be the correct answer.